So firstly, Riddhi, welcome to IWM Buzz. Riddhi, any planning for upcoming web shows or series, something?
Yes, I'm going to start shooting for Asur 2 very
Yeah.
soon. And then after that, there are more things in the pipeline, which, as in when, things happen, then there's Married Woman 2 also.
Yeah.
So hopefully I'm testing for work, and, I'm getting a lot of calls for a lot of interesting projects, to be honest. It's like fingers crossed. Let's see which one works out. Each one is very exciting and different from each other. So I really hope that, I keep working and I keep doing this kind of stuff, because that's my only motive, to better myself as an artist. That's the only thing that I work for. So yeah.
So what kind of forward now? Because sorry, can you
Every
hear me
genre.
now?
Yeah, I can hear you. Sorry.
After
Every
doing so
genre.
much experiment, अभी क्या बाकी है आप?
बहुत कुछ बाकी है, बहुत कुछ बाकी है। आई मीन जितने प्रकार के लोग हैं इस दुनिया में, उतने रोल्स बाकी हैं और उतनी कहानियां बाकी हैं। सो the possibilities are endless, and that's all I want to do. I want to play all kinds of characters, जो इतने different हैं कि मेरे लिए difficult हो समझना कि मैं इसको कैसे play करूं. That's the only thing I look at in every character, that it should be a challenge to me. If it comes easy to me, I'm not interested. It has to be challenging. It has to challenge me.
So are you okay for doing with a TV series also?
Yeah, I mean, I'm okay to television. I mean, I would love to do television.
Yeah.
If it's worth my while, if it's a good show, if it's well written, it's written by a team of people who are passionate about what they're doing, because that's how I've worked till now in television also. I did Maryada, I did Savitri, I did Wo Apna Sa. ये सारे shows जिन्होंने लिखे थे, उन्होंने बहुत passion के साथ लिखे थे, and they were really, really involved in the process of the show and the character and the graph. There was always a answer to every, why is my character doing this? At least the work that I've done. So I can't just do mindless stuff. I didn't do it on TV also. I just can't play a bubbly. I mean, back then, I'm talking about back then. But I could never do that. That just play a bubbly character who's like Geet from Jab We Met. That was the quintessential thing everybody wanted. I could never do it. Like I wanted meat. I wanted the character to have gray shades and like something more to her than just looks.
So what is जो चल रहा है अभी उसमें आपका कौन सा फेवरेट वेब शो है जो आप binge watch कर रहे हो and you are like eagerly waiting to see more season of that?
Well, I would say Asur 2. I'm dying to see the seasons of all the shows I'm doing.
even us, even us.
Yeah, I want to see Asur 2. I want to see Married Woman 2. So for sure, I want to see my shows.
Okay, so finally, Riddhi, any message for the audience who are still loving you, your show, and your upcoming projects? Also, they are waiting for you to see in Asur 2 also.
I think I just want to express a lot of gratitude सबसे पहले, because it's I feel I've got a lot of love. जब से lockdown शुरू हुआ है, honestly जब से lockdown शुरू हुआ है, the last event I did last year in 2020 was the launch of Asur, and then we went into lockdown in like 5-6 days, and when I look back now, and a lot of journalists like you have asked me, how was your year? How was your lockdown? And I feel it was so blessed. I mean, of course, we were all locked up at home, and we were all, it was difficult for all the reasons that we know. But I was so blessed that I kept getting so much love and support from people who saw Asur. And then, I started shooting Married Woman, and then I got so much love for Married Woman. So I really want to tell everyone, who love my work, that thank you. You're nothing less than angels for me. You guys really make me feel like I have angels in my life, because you don't know me. You are sitting, far away in your houses. You have your own lives, but still you take out the time to make me smile, and to write sweet things to me, whether it's on Twitter or Instagram or anywhere else. You make me laugh, you say nice things to me, and I just see so much kindness in the world. So I want to thank everybody, and I just want to say that I hope I can continue to, I'll keep pushing myself so that I can keep doing different stuff for the audience. That's given me so much love.
Thank you, Riddhi, for giving your precious time, and thank you for entertaining through your beautiful stories, through beautiful web shows. Thank you
Thank
so
you
much.
so much. Thank you. Take care of yourself.
Yes, yes. Bye. Take care.
Bye. Bye. Bye.